What is automation? Automation is a concept that has been around for decades, but in today's digital world, it's more important than ever. From businesses to everyday apps, automation plays a major role in how work gets done. So what exactly is automation, and why does it matter so much? Automation is the use of technology to perform tasks with little or no human involvement. Instead of a person manually completing a task step by step, an automated system follows predefined rules or logic to complete it automatically. The goal of automation is to save time, reduce errors, and increase efficiency. At its simplest level, automation handles repetitive tasks. These are tasks that happen frequently and follow the same pattern every time. By automating them, humans can focus on higher-value work that requires creativity, judgment, or strategy. So how does automation actually work? Automation systems are built using rules, workflows, or triggers. A trigger starts the process, such as a form submission, a scheduled time, or a specific event. Once triggered, the system follows a set of instructions to complete one or more actions. For example, when you receive a welcome email after signing up for a service, that email was likely sent through automation. No one clicked send manually. The system detected your sign-up and automatically completed the task. Automation can be simple or complex. Simple automation might include scheduling social media posts or setting up automatic bill payments. More advanced automation can manage entire business workflows, process large amounts of data, or coordinate multiple systems at once. You already interact with automation every day. Email filters automatically sort messages. Smart thermostats adjust temperatures based on behavior. Online stores send order confirmations and shipping updates automatically. Even traffic lights use automation to manage flow. Automation matters because it increases speed and consistency. Machines don't get tired, distracted, or forget steps. This leads to fewer errors and more predictable outcomes. For businesses, automation reduces operational costs and allows teams to scale without hiring more people. In the workplace, automation is often used to streamline processes like customer support, invoicing, scheduling, reporting, and data entry. In manufacturing, automation controls machines and assembly lines. In IT, automation monitors systems, applies updates, and responds to issues. However, automation also raises concerns. One of the biggest is job displacement. As tasks become automated, certain roles may become less necessary. At the same time, automation creates new opportunities for jobs focused on managing, designing, and improving automated systems. Another challenge is over-automation. Not every task should be automated. Some situations require human judgment, flexibility, or emotional intelligence. Poorly designed automation can lead to frustration or unexpected problems. That's why the best approach to automation is balance. Automation should support humans, not replace them entirely. When used correctly, it enhances productivity and improves quality of life. In simple terms, automation is about letting technology handle repetitive work so humans can focus on what matters most. As technology continues to advance, automation will play an even bigger role in shaping how businesses operate and how people work in the modern world.